Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cloudflare DNS and speed up websites, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Cloudflare website at cloudflare.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Create a new account by entering your email address and a strong password. Confirm your email by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. Log into your Cloudflare account once your email is verified. Next, click on the Add a Site button to begin the configuration process. Enter your website's domain name in the prompt and click Add Site. Select a Cloudflare plan that suits your needs. The free plan is suitable for most small websites. Click Confirm Plan to finalize your selection. Cloudflare will now scan your existing DNS records. Review the scanned DNS records displayed on the screen. Ensure all existing records are correct and add any missing records if necessary. Click Continue to proceed. Next, Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. Make a note of the name servers presented on the screen. Now, log into your domain registrar's website. Navigate to your domain management area to update the name servers. Replace the current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes in your domain registrar account. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard and click Done, check name servers. It may take some time for the DNS changes to propagate globally. Once the name servers have updated, Cloudflare will notify you. Now, you can configure additional settings to enhance your website's performance. Go to the SSL/TLS tab and select the appropriate SSL option, ideally full or full, strict, but. Next, enable Always Online to allow a cached version of your site to be available if it goes down. Adjust the browser cache expiration to define how long browsers should cache files from your site. Now, go to the Speed tab. Enable Auto Minify for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to reduce file sizes. Consider enabling Rocket Loader to improve loading times for JavaScript-heavy websites. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.